Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. In this video we are going to see map. Map, it's a method in stream interface. So how do we use map and different use cases to use the map, we'll be seeing this. First we'll start with the definition, and with the help of different examples we'll see. So first, map is nothing but it's a method in the stream interface. Instead of map I'll keep stream map. Why? Because there is also a map in collections, right? So people will get confused. So stream map. So what is the stream map method? So what is the purpose of this map method? So map method, why do we use is it is used to convert an object of one type to the another. It is used to transform object or objects of one type to the other type. Suppose if we have an list of objects with smaller case letters or lower case letters, and if you want to convert it into uppercase letter, so we can use this map method. So we'll see an example how do we use before Java 8 and after Java 8 with the help of an example, and how to use this map method. So what is the purpose of map? It is used to convert object of one type to another. Okay, and then what is the other? It returns a stream of consisting of return results of applying the given function to the elements. So if you see this map, right, it nothing but inside this it will accept function as an argument. So what this map will do is it will apply the function to each and every element in the string. Okay. It is used to apply given function to the stream of elements. So now you understand what is map and when do we use map. So let's start with, and one more thing, it's an intermediate operation, and these operations are always lazy. So it's an intermediate operation and it's always lazy. Now let's see an example. So as I told you, so before Java 8, if we have to convert a list of list of alphabets into the uppercase letters, how we used to do, and after Java 8 with the help of map, how we can do, we'll see with the help of an example. Okay, just say map demo and then create a main method inside it. Now what we need to do is we need to create a list of strings. So how do we create list of string? So list string list equal to arrays dot as list. Okay, arrays dot as list. And just pass the values here. So just say Sandeep and then give here Krishna, give here Ashish. Okay, so we have created a list, few just simple 3 values. Now what we are going to do, before Java 8, if we have to convert all the elements of this list into uppercase, how do we do? So we iterate through this list and we apply we apply uppercase on each and every object of this list and then add it to one more list. That's how we used to do, correct? So let's see, before Java 8, if you have to do, what you can do? So just create a new list saying just a string upper equal to new array list of list string upper equal to new array list of this one. Now just say for each of list. So which list we need to take? This smaller case list and convert it into uppercase. So how do we convert it into uppercase? So we have a method string dot to uppercase. Okay, and then we'll add each and every string into the final list. So this is the upper, and just say upper dot add, and then string dot to uppercase. Now finally print the system.out.println upper. So this is how we do. So how many lines of code we have written? 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Let's run the program and see the output. You see Sandeep, Krishna and Ashish. Finally we have converted Sandeep, Krishna and Ashish into uppercase by writing these 4 lines. Okay. So anyhow this we need for even after Java 8 also. Why? Because we need list of values, but we need 4 lines of code to write this. And now after Java 8, if we have to convert it into uppercase, how do we do that? So we can transform object of one type into the other by using map, and by passing the function we can apply the function to each and every element in a string. Okay. So list string, okay, and then say, just say collect equal to list dot stream dot map. Okay, first we need to call the map method on the stream, and here what we need to do, for each and every element of the string convert it into uppercase. So in string class we have 2 uppercase, right? And finally say the collectors dot, just say collect and say collectors dot to list. So which will convert, okay, what this will do. So first it will convert when we say list dot stream. So it will what it does internal iteration. It doesn't do any external iteration. It will iterate each and every value on the stream, and it will map to, okay, finally it will convert it into the uppercase, and then it will add it to the map, and finally we are going to convert it into the list by using the collectors.toList method. So what is the purpose of map? It returns a stream consisting of results of applying the given function to the elements of the stream, and it's an intermediate operation. Finally it returns a new stream. It will not apply, it will not map any elements, or it will not convert the elements which are there in this stream. Okay, what it does is it will create a new stream. Okay, fine. And what is the purpose of this collect method? So it is used to collect the elements on the stream. A collector encapsulates a function used as an argument, and it allows for reuse of collection strategies. So finally we have this collect. Now what we can do is we can iterate the elements in this collect, sysout, and say collect. So just with the help of 2 lines we can simply convert the elements in a map, or sorry, elements in the list from lowercase to the uppercase. Okay, so this is using after Java 8. Okay, so this is one of the use case where we can convert. Let's run the program and see the output. Let's run the program and see the output. So after Java 8, it is Sandeep, Krishna and Ashish. So we are converting the list of values into the uppercase. So this is one of the simple use cases. Now let's see the another use cases with the help of custom objects. Suppose I have a simple student class, and inside the student class I have sname, student ID, okay, SID and sname. So now what we need to do is, if we have to collect, Okay, what we need to do is, if we have to collect student name, just I'm writing one constructor here, just say public student and say string s name comma integer sid. This dot s name equal to s name and this dot sid equal to sid. So what we need to do is, we need to, how do we create? So just say this dot s name equal to s name and this dot sid equal to sid. So what we need to do is, we have a list of student objects, but from the list of student objects, I want only the list of student names. Okay, just want to print the student names. How do we do that, and how do we use map in this use case? So first what I'll do is, I'll create a list of students. Okay, so how to create a list of students? Just say list student equal to students, and now what I'm trying to do is, I'm just creating a list of students, arrays.as list, and say new student of, just say Sandeep comma 1. So just say list of students equal to arrays.as list of new student of Sandeep comma 1, and then new student of Sidhu comma 2, and then new student of Harsha comma 3. Now we have the list of students. Suppose if I want to get all the student names from this list of students before Java8, how we have to do? So before Java8, if I have to collect all the student names, how do we do that? So what I need to do is, I need to just say list string. Why? Because student name is always a string, so I'm just saying names, list of string of names equal to new array list of, and then here what I need to do is, I need to collect. So I need to iterate through the students, and then student for each students, and iterate to the each student. Okay, iterate to the each student and get the student name and add it to the names. So names dot add student dot, okay, here we don't have any getter methods, so let's add one getter method, get sname and get sid. So get sname, here we have added this. Okay, just say student dot get name, and finally you can print out names and just say student names equal to name. Now let's run the program and see the output. You see, student names are Sandeep, Sidhu and Harsha. We have created 3 students. So before Java8, if we have to collect the list of student names, what we have to do? We need to iterate, we need to create a new list, and then we have to iterate to the each element of this, each student object, and then add it to the names, and finally we used to print the sysout. After Java 8, it's very simple to do. Why? Because we can collect all those by using the map operation. So how do we do that? Just say students dot stream dot map and then say x dot get name okay, and then finally collect all these elements dot collect of collectors dot toList. So with the help of just single line, what we are doing, we are getting the elements student name and we are converting it into the list with the help of map operation, which is present in the stream method. So finally what we'll get is, we'll get the list of strings. So list of string is and stream names, sorry, just say student names equal to, and then say sysout student names. You got it right? What we are doing, we are calling stream method on the students, and finally we call map method, and inside this map method we are calling x.getSname and then collect, and finally we are getting collectors.toList, and we are finally printing system.out.println student names. Let's run the program and see the output. You see here we have got the student names, okay, Sandeep, Sidhu and Harsha, which we printed after Java 8. Okay, so this is how we use the map method, and these are the two different use cases which can be used with the help of map method. Hope you got this, and thanks for watching my video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.